In this video, we will introduce you to the female reproductive system in detail. So, what is the female reproductive system? The organs of the female reproductive system produce and sustain the female sex cells, sometimes it calls egg cells or ova, transport these cells to a place where they may be fertilized by sperm, provide a favorable environment for the developing fetus, move the fetus to the outside at the end of the development period, and produce the female sex hormones. The female reproductive anatomy includes two parts, external and internal structures. The main external structures of the female reproductive system include labia majora. The labia majora are two marked folds of skin that extend from the mons pubis downward and backward to merge with the skin of the perineum. Labia minora. The labia minora are paired folds of smooth tissue underlying the labia majora. They range from light pink to brownish black in different individuals. In a sexually unstimulated condition, these tissues cover the vaginal and urethral openings, but upon sexual arousal, they become more open. Bartholin's glands. The Bartholin's glands are two pea-sized compound alveolar glands located slightly posterior and to the left and right of the opening of the vagina. Clitoris. The clitoris is the pleasure center of the vulva. It doesn't have a central role in reproduction like the penis or vagina, it's pretty much just there to make you feel good. The internal reproductive organs include vagina. The vagina is a canal that joins the cervix to the outside of the body. It also is known as the birth canal. Uterus. Uterus is also known as a female's womb. The uterus is a hollow, pear-shaped organ that is the home to a developing fetus. The uterus is divided into two parts, the cervix, which is the lower part that opens into the vagina. The other part is the main body of the uterus, called the corpus. The corpus can easily expand to hold a developing baby when female pregnant. A channel through the cervix allows sperm to enter and menstrual blood to exit. Ovaries. Ovaries are the female gonads. It is the primary female reproductive organs. These glands have three important functions. They secrete hormones, they protect the eggs a female is born with, and they release eggs for possible fertilization. Fallopian tubes. The fallopian tubes, also known as uterine tubes, salpinges singular salpinx, or oviducts, are tubes that stretch from the uterus to the ovaries, and are part of the female reproductive system. A fertilized egg passes through the fallopian tubes from the ovaries of female mammals to the uterus. What happens during the menstrual cycle? Females of reproductive age that, beginning anywhere from 11 to 16 years of age, experience cycles of hormonal activity that repeat at about 1-month intervals. The average menstrual cycle takes about 28 days and occurs in phases. These phases include the follicular phase. This phase is also known as the development of the egg phase. The ovulatory phase. This phase is also known as the release of the egg phase. The luteal phase. Hormone levels decrease if the egg does not implant in this phase. There are 4 major hormones involved in the menstrual cycle. These hormones include follicle-stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, estrogen, progesterone. Thanks for your watching. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe our channel to support us. And don't forget to leave your valuable comment, tell us what you think. Deeply thanks.